I'm Bill Parrish. I'm the Regional Director for the North Carolina Small Business and Technology Development Center, or SBTDC as most know us by. The Appalachian State University hosts one of the regional service centers. We are responsible for service delivery in 14 counties of North Carolina, and those counties happen to be the manufacturing breadbasket of the state's economy. North Carolina is still one of the state's highest percentage of jobs in manufacturing, and although that has fallen some in recent years, it's still a major portion of this region's economy. Before we moved into the North Carolina Center for Engineering Technologies, our client base, still very strongly oriented toward manufacturers, we had to take them to different areas of North Carolina for those resources. Well, now we have them right here, and being co-located is a very strong adjunct. And it's a strong statement as well with the visibility and the emphasis that we place on manufacturing and manufacturers. Well, the North Carolina Center for Engineering Technologies is a very important asset and resource of the university for this region for a number of reasons. One, with the high concentration of manufacturers that we have, to have resources that they can call upon, unbiased, objective resources with skill sets and equipment and leading edge technologies is extremely important for their competitiveness. It's all about competitiveness. Jobs will follow when companies grow because they are matched up and aligned with objectives in the marketplace. Whether that marketplace is in the United States, North Carolina, or abroad. As my staff are working with the management teams, from the CEOs on down to floor line supervisors, to have the resource that we have here in Hickory. And we've got other resources as well that the North Carolina Center for Engineering Technologies partners with frequently. We also have the Industrial Extension Service, the Manufacturing Extension Partnership, the Department of Commerce, all of those coming together for the benefit of the manufacturer and for that management team is extremely powerful.